Almost every enterprise CRM on the market is currently attempting to solve the exact same four baseline problems. First, capturing and tracking every customer interaction in one centralized location. Second, providing sales teams with an unobstructed view of every deal currently in the pipeline. Third, automating routine follow-ups so no active lead falls through the cracks. And fourth, delivering real-time revenue visibility to leadership without waiting for a manual weekly report. When engineering teams scale these requirements, they often assume the solution requires cloning a monolithic suite like Salesforce or architecting a complex web of microservices. We can deliver 90% of that enterprise functionality, specifically the core revenue and relationship workflows used by most teams, using a lean 7-layer tech stack. By relying on proven open-source tools, this stack bypasses the recurring seat-based licensing fees associated with legacy enterprise platforms. We are going to design this system from the ground up, layer by layer, starting where the structural integrity of the application begins, the data foundation. Architectural bloat is a choice, and a well-engineered stack delivers enterprise-grade power without creating unnecessary technical overhead. This architecture begins at layer 3, the database. We use Postgres as the primary data store because CRM data is strictly relational. It maps contacts, deals, and accounts with structural precision. Once the database is in place, engineers often add Elasticsearch for full-text search. Do not add Elasticsearch on day one. Postgres includes native full-text search capabilities for moderate volumes, removing an entire system from your overhead. There is exactly one exception where this architecture requires a secondary data store: instant activity feeds and system notifications. For those high-speed requirements, we implement Redis to handle caching and pub/sub messaging. Maximizing a relational database's native features prevents premature data scaling, the first step toward long-term maintenance efficiency. Moving up the stack, we finally reach layer 2, the backend, where the core business logic is processed. Depending on your team's strengths, you will use Node.js with Nest.js for strict typing, or Python with Django to leverage its mature ORM. The critical constraint here is architectural. This layer must be built as a modular monolith. Structure the backend around clear, isolated domains, contacts, deals, and reporting, but keep those domains contained within a single deployable application. This approach stands in direct contrast to the modern trend of splitting early applications into distributed, complex microservices. In a CRM, modules are tightly interrelated. Splitting them prematurely creates network-level coordination overhead, but delivers no tangible scaling benefits. Internal modularity gives an engineering team the organizational clarity of microservices without introducing network-induced latency or deployment complexity. Layer 4 is integration. Without it, the CRM becomes an isolated data silo. An enterprise CRM must communicate with email providers, calendar systems, marketing tools, and ERPs like SAP. For real-time triggers, we rely on a webhook-based integration mechanism that communicates directly with provider APIs. To handle asynchronous tasks, like syncing 10,000 contacts without blocking the main processing thread, we deploy a job queue like BullMQ or Celery. Focus strictly on the 2 or 3 integrations your customers explicitly ask for. Avoid the trap of building a generic integration framework that may never be fully utilized. Layer 5 is automation and AI, the logic that transforms a static database into an active productivity engine. Start by building a simple rules engine to handle routine triggers, like automatically updating a deal stage when a client opens an email. When implementing AI, isolate it to predictive tasks. Use established gradient-boosted models, like XGBoost, for lead scoring and next best action logic. For generative tasks, like drafting emails, utilize existing external LLM APIs. Training and hosting a custom model is an unnecessary drain on engineering resources. Mastering rules-based automation solves the vast majority of enterprise demands at a fraction of the cost required to maintain custom machine learning pipelines. At layer 1, we reach the front end. This is the daily operating environment for the sales and support teams. We use React paired with TypeScript. It is the industry standard for building robust enterprise dashboards. Because CRMs rely on complex data tables, designing custom UI components from scratch is an inefficient use of the engineering budget. Leverage pre-built component libraries like NUI or Ant Design. Reserve specialized design resources strictly for mission-critical screens, like the visual deal pipeline. Layer 6 is reporting and analytics. This layer addresses leadership's requirement for real-time visibility. Avoid the temptation to build a custom reporting engine from scratch. Implement a dedicated open-source analytics layer like Metabase or Apache Superset. Connecting these tools directly to the Postgres database allows you to generate pre-aggregated metrics without running expensive queries that slow down the main application. Leveraging off-the-shelf front-end components and open-source BI tools preserves engineering bandwidth for the core business logic. Finally, we wrap the application in Layer 7, infrastructure, security, and monitoring. Containerize with Docker and deploy onto managed cloud services like AWS ECS or Azure App Service. Delay Kubernetes implementation until your service volume justifies the additional management overhead. Implement role-based access control from day one and use your cloud provider's built-in encryption to protect sensitive data across user permission levels. This complete blueprint, React front-end, monolithic back-end, relational core, rules-based automation, and direct-to-database analytics captures the workflow requirements of an enterprise team. This configuration delivers the core functionality of legacy giants while maintaining a lightweight operational footprint. Architectural elegance relies on extracting maximum leverage from these proven fundamentals. To master the components we've discussed, check out the deep dive courses on PostgreSQL, Django, and automation pipelines linked in the description.